Okay guys, so today we have the Mojave 6S. I'll talk about which upgrades we've done to this car, but basically it's just the tires. These are belted tires. These are the Mirage TT from Proline. Beautiful tires for a desert truck. And a servo. And the oil of the shocks has been changed for 50 front and 60 back. And it drives really beautiful. And so we're going here to this baseball court. Yesterday was raining the whole day, so we have a beautiful terrain for this car, and we'll see how it's going to be. Okay guys, so this is the baseball court right now, and this is why now I'm running here, because I know that people are not going to play soon because of this. So that's why I'll run the car here, because sometimes this is pretty clean and it looks like it was just made and just fixed, and I don't like to run my car when it looks super nice, because I'm pretty sure that they will have a match soon, and that's why I don't use it often. But today I'm lucky, guys. Okay, so this is 50% throttle, and we'll see how the car handles here. Okay, definitely looks amazing how it runs. Yep, it looks beautiful, but I think it needs way more speed. So we'll go 75 and then we'll go 100. Actually, we'll go full 100 soon. We'll see if we take a nice shot here with the water, guys. Okay guys, so after doing some shots here in the water, which you guys can see my reels and shorts, reels in Instagram and shorts here, same in YouTube, I'm gonna do a nice couple of videos for this car with this water. Hope you guys like it. And so now the car is full throttle, 100%. We'll see what difference it is. Like, there is really a big difference between 50 and 100. Just look at this, how it rips. Oh, it loves to rip. We'll see how it rips, guys. Look at this. Look at this. This guy is a ripper. Ripper, full ripping, guys. Full ripping, guys. Oh my God, what a car. Whoa. Guys, so this is full throttle. Just guys, so you understand how this car moves. It's oh my God, I just blast myself with sand. Oh man, if that's not trying to get the best shot and sacrificing my life for you guys, I don't know what it is, love. Oh boy, look at this beast. Oh, it's receiving what he demands. This Mojave is receiving what, well, a lot of people I see that when they talk about trucks, they use she, like she likes her. I don't know why. Mojave for me, it's like a name of a man, you know? So for me, this is a male. This is a truck that is male. Look at these guys. Dripping. The car is dripping. Oh boy. He likes it. It likes it. It likes it. It likes to eat that. Oh, shit. Guys, so you can see how much speed this car has. It's unbelievable. The Mojave, it's a great car. I love the way it handles. Mojave for me, I think it's my favorite car. If not, it's one of my favorites. It's not like I have 10, I wish. Hopefully, guys, we are getting there. But, well, we have beautiful cars, really. And I'm so thankful for them. Oh my God, this is gonna be a hard cleaning, boys. As well, I'll show you guys in another video the fenders are great. They help really because the car by itself is pretty open from this area and all the grass gets in. It's pretty annoying to be cleaning so deep every single time. And so yeah, beautiful car, guys. Let's keep ripping it. Okay, so we're gonna try to do a couple of passes more here in this area. Okay, one more shot. Let's get it, boys. One more shot. One more, that's it, guys. We just have one more. Guys, look at the Mojave. It's a beast. I think it's completely clear as water. That this car is a complete beast. Oh my God. Guys, so you can see the Mojave 6S, it's a complete beast. I had so much fun running the car in this baseball court. Expect some nice cool videos, shorts and reels for Instagram. I think you guys will like it. Hopefully we got something in the videos because I was really risking my life, guys. With a car of what, 55 miles per hour, 60 miles per hour, getting just like 30 centimeters of distance when it was so close to me. That high speed, I think is pretty dangerous. So I got super wet. All my clothes are wet. Look at my daughter, guys. She loves the car. She literally loves the car. Do a loto verde. Dile, bon nuit. She's already doing her first YouTube video. Look at her. She's so beautiful. Diles bye-bye, Mesa.
Thank you.
Subscribe. Bye-bye, guys.